Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Please come and join the BitGet CoinsKid crew right now for this competition, the KCGI. You get $10 free for nothing, just for joining the team. So it's free money basically. Come and get involved. Click the link. There's 3 days to get involved in this competition right now before it closes, okay? So come and join the CoinsKid crew and let's smash this. Let's dive into the video right now. Diving into the XRP chart right now, taking a quick look at the DXY. We do have a little bit of pressure this week, don't we? That big wick. So, you know, if we sort of close this week out like this for the DXY, we do have 13 hours, 29 minutes left for this close. But if we do close this out like this is really increasing the probability that XRP is going to start to come up in the other direction, okay? So far so good. We're riding these waves like an absolute boss. It is a little bit uncanny, isn't it? Like last year, in the last week of September, we did begin to roll here for the DXY after this major move up towards the last week of September right there. We closed that candle out, we came back down to the 10 EMA, we made the lower high, and then we dropped for the remainder of the year into 2023. And as you're fully aware, this was a major clue, because from that point XRP's just been coming up ever since basically. Obviously it went down initially with Bitcoin, with the FTX and everything, but once it found its feet, this continuation to the downside for the DXY was the clue. The big clue that XRP was looking at a big move, and Bitcoin, was this here. So if we start to see this here over the next couple of weeks, some kind of pull back into the 10, come up, make a lower high, and then the structure gets lost and we start to come back down, then we're going to repeat what we've done there leading into 2023. We're going to do exactly the same into 2024, which is, you know, just marrying up with my analysis for a very long time right now. We're looking at a big run here for crypto leading into 2024. Potentially some all-time highs before the halvening right there, which would absolutely catch everybody off guard. But anyway, that's a theory. Obviously it's not guaranteed, it's just a theory, but if it plays out like that, it's amazing. And I'll show you so much confluence in so many other charts for this particular analysis where it could actually play out. Anyway, enough chit chatter. If you're not watching the Bitcoin videos, definitely watch the Bitcoin videos. We've been nailing longs and shorts on them particular moves of Bitcoin since a couple of weeks ago. Been absolutely nailing the moves right there, and right now there's a potential bull flag that's formed for Bitcoin on the hourly time frame. There's a lovely little trade today on Bitcoin. So let's dive into the XRP chart and see what we can see, okay? Yesterday was looking at a little opportunity on XRP to trade in either direction, wasn't we? So we've got a confirmed break of resistance. Like I said to you, I think there'll be a move because we're getting really close to this apex, and there has, you know. So this apex, this level of resistance and this level of support was foretelling of a move, and that's exactly what we've got. So we've got two closes outside of this white line, okay, of resistance, and right now we're closed above the EMAs and equally bullish crosses in a potential ascending triangle. Look at that little reversal pattern, breaking out, bullish crosses right towards the apex. So this is a lovely little move, breaking out, falling back to this neckline right now. So the minimal technical target that I'm looking for to take profit on my long, which entered yesterday once we've got the closes outside of this level of resistance, put your stop loss on the previous swing low. This is what I've always taught you, and right now we're looking to get to that minimal target, which is 051942. But I think XRP might continue here. It might actually tap that before coming in for some kind of correction, okay? So we'll look at that going forward. But if you do start to break out of this, then you're invalidating this head and shoulders pattern, aren't you? Now what I'm looking for XRP on the, you know, the larger time frame on the daily is a macro ascending triangle here, which is essentially a larger version of what we just created in the 4 hourly time frame. So it's really difficult to see. Let me jump onto another chart right now to show you. Looking at XRP on a daily time frame, providing we see this support maintained for XRP and we get the bullish crosses towards this apex, I think XRP can absolutely take off here. And again, nothing I say is financial advice, but it's identical to the scenario that I was telling you way back here when we was coming back in this flag like this and everyone was getting super bearish. We were zigzagging back like this, and I said to you, once we break this resistance, I expect XRP to get up to this green line at an absolute minimal, okay, which has been my target all year, and I gave you the time frame as well, and it absolutely nailed it, absolutely nailed that. So right now, I'm hoping I nail it again, okay? We've had this massive macro ABC correction. We're sort of consolidating a range here. If we coil up and we get the bullish crosses toward the apex, wow, hold on to your seats, because XRP could be about to do something like that towards that red line within this time frame, within that box, and then we've nailed it again, okay? So I wish everyone the utmost luck. Obviously, I show you invalidation every day, but so far so good. We are holding that 35-day ABC since August. We're holding it pretty solidly at the moment, and we're sort of building a base and slowly but surely coming up the stairs. But is there some catalyst, some big news coming? I don't know, but what I'm looking for XRP, if you start to get the bullish crosses here towards the apex of this potential double bottom ascending triangle pattern down there, then if we start to break, then XRP could be about to move towards that red line, you know, because that's also been a target for me as well for a very long time right now. So anyway, I wish everyone the utmost luck. Obviously the time frame is theory based, you're fully aware, so I just wish everyone the utmost luck. You know, we've been riding these waves since the start of the year for XRP. We've been coming up on the 1618, came back down, went to the 2.272, come back down. We got to the 1618, which was a macro move. We've had the big macro ABC correction, which we was expecting and no one was. And right now we're coiling up for another explosive continuation here until we're not, okay, of the big macro impulsive and corrective waves there for XRPs. Like I said to you the other day, you know, if you've got the stomach for it, your macro move could be, you know, simply to spot position, whatever you want to do, you know, whether leverage long or whatever, you know, you're looking at that and you're looking at something like 151%, and then just put your stop loss on that macro low there, around about 14%, if not move it up to that macro low. So around about 9.47% loss for 151% gain, you know, if you can stomach it. And this is basically crypto. This is volatile risk management. I wish everyone the most luck. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Back to a new update on XRP. Bye bye.